Welcome to Shokmar classes. Today the topic which I am covering is golden rules of accounting or accounting rules. Normally when your students are into the class, we will explain you all it is accounting rules. But the mainly when you go for interview in any of the concern, instead of asking that accounting rules, they will use the word golden rules of accounting. The very first and foremost information as in every accounting students must remember, this is the rules. Even after you completing of your PG courses, when you go for interviews, this will be the very first question to you all. It is that please keep in remembrance that this golden rules of accounting will be the a common question when any person go for interview into the accounting fields as a commerce background students. Yes, now this golden rules of accounting or accounting rules, it is classified into American accounting rules and English accounting rules. Now what I am explaining, it is English accounting rules. So there is separately another rules, it is the American accounting rules. Now we are going to discuss about English accounting rules. Now the accounting rules are, it is classified into three. The very first one is the real account, the second one is the nominal account, or third one is the personal account. It doesn't mean that we need to say it is into this order only. Either we can say it is personal account, real account and nominal account, like that also. And for every kind of account, it is that there is debit and credit rules are there, that only we are going to discuss it one by one. Now the very first one is that real account. The real account is classified, it is into two rules. One, it is the rule of debit and another one is rule of credit. Yes, the rule of debit, it says that debit, what comes in, what comes in, and rule of credit says for real account is credit, what goes out. Yes, the real the real account is the full involvement of the assets or properties. The assets or properties. So incoming of the asset or outgoing of the asset, both will be recorded into real account. The assets refers to land and building, plant and machinery, furnitures, motor vehicles, etc. Yes, next coming to nominal account. The nominal account rule of debit, it says that debit all expenses and losses, and credit is all incomes and gains. Remember that when a amount is spent for some expenses or when there is some loss, it comes under the nominal account. And the credit rule says that it is receiving of incomes and gains, it is called as the nominal account. The example of nominal account: rent paid, interest paid, commission paid, like that any expenses or it is paid. Or in reverse, rent received, commission received, interest received, all that entries will be called as the credit rules. And next, coming to personal account rules. The personal account rule says that debit the receiver of benefit, the receiver of benefit, credit the giver of benefit, credit the giver of benefit. It means that from a business, any person can receive benefit from us. From my business, if any person receives benefit from us, it is called as the rule of debit. And credit the giver of benefit, some person will give benefit to us. They will give benefit to us. This is called as the credit rules of the personal account. So, in simple, the rules of real account is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Coming to nominal account, debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Coming to third one, personal account, debit the receiver of benefit and credit the giver of benefit. This is about rules of accounting or golden rules of accounting in English accounting rules. In my next video, let me give information about the American accounting rules.